In this video, I'll show you how you can change your background on Google Chrome. Now, as you can see, mine is completely white, and this is how mine looks. Now, what you can do is in the bottom right corner on your Google page, there'll be a customize button. And from in here, you can choose many different types. Now, you can choose these preset ones, just like this, the color themes. You can go dark mode, light mode. And if you want to change the appearance, what you can do is click up here and there'll be many different ones. Now, if you just want solid colors, you can come in here and choose them. You can also make sure to refresh daily, which means every day will be a new one. And you can also come down here and choose any of the templates. So let's choose landscapes, and you'll see there's many different ones in here, and you can choose any of these. Now, if you want to upload your own image, you can simply come back and choose upload an image, and you can choose one that you have already saved. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. It's super simple, and if you want to go back to default, just click on this one. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.